What's going on, everybody? It's me, Night Shift Beats, and I just wanted to give a quick tutorial on how you can upload high quality audio to Instagram, to TikTok, to YouTube, really to anything. I get questions from people all the time on how sometimes when you upload, I think that your audio can be messed up at times. So I just wanted to show you my method. It's quick, it takes like 5 minutes. So I'm gonna get into it. First, I use a website called Canva. I'm pretty sure everyone's familiar with Canva at this point. And for me, for the template I found, I'm not going to show you the template that I found because it's special to me. But I'll just type in, for example, Instagram post, or we'll start off with the Instagram post. So usually what I do is I'll look for something that's eye-catching to me. I'll probably fast forward this part of the video because Canva is good, but they do have a lot of, I'm not gonna say garbage, but just things that wouldn't apply to a music producer. So I'm probably gonna fast forward through this part. Okay, so I think I found something that I can use. So it took me quite a while to find this, so it might take you a little bit of digging. So what you're gonna do is that you have your image right here. What you do now is that for me, my first step is uploading the beat. So you're gonna go into wherever you have your beat, whatever folder you is in your computer. This is for Windows, but I'm pretty sure it applies the same way to like a Mac computer. Just gonna take the beat, if I can get it right, drag it. Just gonna drag it in here, and just gonna wait for it to upload. I have a ton of beats that I've been using for this one. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna take it. And you're gonna drag it in here. Now, as you see, it plays, but it's only the first couple seconds. So what I'll do is I'll click out of it, and then I'll go to this part right here where it says 5 seconds, and then click it, just drag it over. The max is 30 seconds, so you can only do 30 seconds. It's good though. Sometimes for me, I don't like uploading my full beats, as you guys already know. So I'll put that to 30. So now the full beat, 30 seconds. No matter, this cap was 32. My last Childish Gambino beat was 32. I try to keep it short because if it's 42, I had to trim it down because it just wouldn't fit. So if you want to get the full loop, 30-second loop, you go like that. So I'm using a Tyler the Creator beat. So I'll go to Google and I'll type in, I don't know, for example, Tyler the Creator pink. Let me say, because the background is pink. Aesthetic. See what happens. See what I find. Now I can take, let's say, this picture. I'll download it to my computer. Download that. I'll drag it into here. And I got a bunch of images that I use in here, and I'll drag it in here. Let's just say the title of the beat is, I don't know, let's call it Candy Rain. Boom. Now that we have that, and for Canva, you can use this nice little preview thing, 30 seconds, again for the beat. So let's just click it and see what it looks like. So it gives you high quality. Hold on, be quiet. So as you can see, plays the beat, high quality. If you want to add it a little, let's say element, let's say you want to add, I don't know, let's do confetti. Let's see, you can add little elements. You hit graphics, and you could add that in there. Let's just see what that looks like. ain't the you could also front things forward to backwards. That's a later tutorial, but let's just see what it looks like. We could Okay, so again, I just added a little bit of graphics, make it look better. You could do that too, and if you preview it, it'll look like that on your feed. Full beat, it's got a little graphic to catch the eye. Now, if you wanted to make this into, let's say, a TikTok or like an Instagram story, I'll show you how to do that. You're gonna hit resize, and you're gonna click. For me, I have that automatically as an Instagram story. But all you have to do is you can type in TikTok, and it'll pop in for TikTok, and it'll resize it for you. So it'll load up, and right now it is pretty small. So you could take this, you could take the whole thing, you could highlight the whole element if you hit control. I mean, hopefully this will work for me. Okay, well that's not working. So we're gonna scrap that idea. You have your feed post, which is still right here. And let's move on. Let's say we want a different thing. Let's say we want a TikTok. Let's say we want an Instagram reel. We're gonna do that quickly. We're gonna do Instagram, let's say reels video. And let's say we see something that catches our eye. I'm gonna fast forward again because I got a lot of stuff that's just, I wouldn't say garbage, but you know what I'm saying. We got a lot of stuff that doesn't apply to us. Okay. So this is part of the Canva, I believe Canva Pro, but you can really pick through any one of these templates. This is just the one that caught my eye. So again, we're gonna drag audio in. We are going to, this is only 15 seconds, but we can accept that because most TikToks and Reels, we want it to be anywhere within 15 seconds. So we're gonna take it. We're just gonna rename this. I forgot what I put it. Let's say Candy Brain. Tyler, the creator. And right now, I mean, if we look at it, I don't know if this original thing has audio, but we can just check it out how it looks right now. That actually doesn't look too bad. I'm actually impressed with that. So we could either use this one, but for example, if we want to keep it where the artist is like involved, where the artist is part of it, we can go here, Tyler the Creator, Pink. Let's just see if we can find like a GIF. See if we can find a GIF or a GIF, however you say it. Or just really any little short clip of him will be beneficial. So sift through these, see what I find. Let's just say we have, let's say we use this one. I'm going to save the image, and I'm going to let me find it again. I don't need this one. Find this over here, and I will go to my downloads, drag, drop. As you can see, all the recent beats that I posted are all right here. All the GIFs or GIFs are right here. So we're going to take this, literally drag it over here like that. I mean, it don't look the best, but you can see how you can get creative with it. Let's just see. We need to stretch this to, shoot. We need to stretch this all. Let's say we can do a 30-second clip with this. 30 seconds. Now, remember, if we want this to be 30 seconds for the music, let's see what it looks like. I'm really not feeling that. So I want a shorter GIF. So I'm gonna fast forward again, look through, I think it's giphy.com for something. Okay, so I have this one that I'm liking. It's simple. Do it again. It's all about trial and error. You know, you don't got to do the first thing that comes to your mind. So as we're gonna upload that one, and we're just gonna take this video portion out. We're gonna keep the words. We're gonna keep. We can move the video over because I want to get that heart. So let's see what this looks like. We can even move this up. We can make it bigger, kind of like the way it is right here. All right, boom. So let's see what this one looks like. See, it's that easy. So again, that's exactly how I make my beats, my visualizers and all that. Very simple. All you gotta do is just get a couple images. You could do the still image like this one, or remember you could do a simple one like that one. So all these things are pretty simple. It's free. You don't have to spend money on a designer. You don't have to invest a ton of money into your craft at this moment. You could just mess around and get good at it, because this stuff, it costs a lot of money. Trust me, I've been through people who want to design and all that, and if you're creative enough to make music, I think you're creative enough to make a simple little visualizer. So I actually like this one the most. I'm not gonna use it, but I'll let somebody else, if anybody wants me any help on it, I have no problem showing you again if you want to do a one-on-one call or something like that. But I just wanted to get on here and just show you that it's easy. Canva is a really, really nice thing. I advise doing the $12 thing because you can upload however many stuff you want, because there will be a cap. I know with uploading videos, there's a big cap on it. So especially audio too. So invest in the $12. It's better to spend $12 a month than like $100 on somebody who's gonna do the same thing for you, and they don't got your creative eye. So they might not do it to the best ability. But that's all I wanted to come and show you guys. Really easy tutorial. But you know, if you have any questions, DM me on Instagram, Night Shift Beats. You know where to find me. But that's all I got. Baby, I'm missing more than you. You know I got this feeling now. Baby, I'm missing more than you. You know I got this feeling now. Baby,